Just installed your Ring Peephole Cam video doorbell? Now it's time to bring it to life with the Ring app. In this guide, we'll show you the simple steps to link it so you can start using all its smart features right away. Go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Ring app. Open the app and either sign in or create a new Ring account. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are turned on. Tap Set up a device and select Doorbells from the list. Scan the QR code or Mac ID barcode on your Ring doorbell or packaging. Follow the prompts to give your device a name and location. The app will guide you to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, it may update the firmware automatically. Wait for it to complete. When done, test the live view and motion alerts to make sure everything works. That's all it takes to set up your Ring Peephole Cam video doorbell. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.